Now I continue to demo the Spring WebFlux reactive application. On this reactive application architecture, I already demoed the medication support center and medication order center. And now I go ahead to demo product supply center and product order center. That two different microservers read the data from H2 embodied database. Now I try to start the product supply center. And I go ahead start product order center. I want to check to make sure all the server is up. Yeah, now all the server is up. And product supply center may just used to read the data from the database and support the data to other microservice application. And in this application, I created two different domain class. One is customer, one is product. And I have created a repository and order controller. Order controller, I provide order service API to read the data from database and support to the other microservice. Let me check the get alls. Here I have get alls. Order, okay. Order, get alls. Let me see. Something wrong. A to A. The port number may not be correct. I'm going to check, make sure 8881. Okay, that's correct. Okay, now I get all the product, and let me show. And this controller major is using Spring MVC, okay, to read the data from the database. So I'm using the response entity. Let me show. Yeah. That show all the customer. See all the customers. Okay, that's all the customers. And I go here to demo. There, the product order center, it read the data from product supply center, and this microservice is major using WebFlux. Okay, using WebFlux, let me see the dependency. Using the here using a Spring WebFlux. Okay, Lombards. Okay, and I go here to demo. Because I'm using the web client, so I create a web client bean, and I also using the REST template. So I create two beans. Then in my RESTful service in the controller, I inject those two beans to my controller, so other method can use the web client to read the data from the remote side from product supply center. Let me check one. The customer. Check out. Okay, so here is that show the customer ID 100, the name, customer credit card number, the product ID number, that customer order. Okay, so this because this is using the web Spring Web Flux, so the data is using the two different string data type. One is flux, one is mono. Here is because it's just one single data, so using the mono return one ID relay the customer, so and read the data from URI and by this ID, and then accept this type. The data type is JSON from the remote side, and retrieve the data and to the mono return the customer. Okay, so and I try to demo. One try to update product. Put. Let me see, update product.